Hey guys, I'm Amir Bawazadeh from Serilen channel in YouTube and Telegram. In this lecture, I want to show you how can you install and use Laragon. It's a very useful app for Windows clients or users, and that's it. Well, I'm opening my browser and typing. Let me close these tabs and writing Laragon or Laragon. I'm opening the first result, laragon.org. Then before I click on download, I'm going to docs, and here what is Laragon, you can read this text, and I'm explaining the features. Laragon using particulars, what's that mean? If you are using mamp or xampp or wamp, when you install when you deploy your project, for example your project name is a test project, when you want open in your browser, open it in your browser, you have to type localhost and slash test project. But also you can configure it by test project.test. For it you have to configure your host and visual HTTPD in your XAMPP or WAMP or mamp, and it's I think it's a little difficult, but in the Laragon it's a cool feature, and when you deploying or creating your project as test project, it's automatically create your test project.test. Also you can change the test name to any other name that I show you in the minutes. Well, Laragon is portable. What's that mean? It means you can, if you install the Laragon in your C disk, you can move it to D or E or any other name of your disk or any other folder. It not matter for portable, as you see, without any worries. And Laragon is easy operation. You can run PHP, Python, Ruby, Java, Go, Apache, Nginx, MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, or even Redis on your Laragon without any difficulty and worry. That's it. I'm click on download button. You can see 3 version of Laragon full, that includes Apache 2.4, Nginx, MySQL 5.7, PHP 7.2, Redis, Memcache, Node.js 11, npm, yarn, and Git. That is Laragon full, Laragon Lite, and Laragon portable. I'm clicking on download Laragon full, but I'm not download it because I've been downloading it. I've downloaded it before, and after you download it, click install it. You just click on next, and that's it. After you install it, open your Laragon, and Laragon install. For starting your service, click on start all. If you better than I said, if you are open Laragon for the first time, you don't see Redis run, and you have to change the setting or configure your settings. And how you can change the setting? Click on settings icon, and here we have 3 options. Run Laragon when Windows start. It means when you turn on your system, Laragon automatically starts, and you don't need open your Laragon. And when you check it, this select box start all automatically. When the Laragon starts up, it runs its services automatically. As I show you before, you see my project, test project.test, and this is a Laravel project by 7 version, and you can change the test suffix to any other name, for example dev.co or any other thing, but I'm not changing it. And here for services, Laragon automatically use Apache as default, Apache using Apache and MySQL, but you can run it by Nginx and memcached. As I said you, if you wanna use Redis, you have to check Redis select box, and that's it. For create a project from Laragon, you can go to quick app, and here easily you can set up your project. For example, you can install WordPress project or Drupal 8 or Laravel zip, and it's very easy. You can click on WordPress and type writing your project name, for example Serlan, and Laragon easily created you for you. And a cool feature in Laragon is after you created your project name by WordPress, it's using this name for creating the database. And I'm clicking on OK because it takes several times, and I don't want make this lecture longer than it. And here you can create Laravel project, and nothing special. And here important tip is when you are using Laragon as default, Laragon using Hades SQL, but if you wanna use phpMyAdmin, you have to configure it. For that, I open my browser and typing here how to install phpMyAdmin in Laragon. I opening forum.laragon.org this title, and here I'm clicking on phpMyAdmin.net downloads, and you have to download the phpMyAdmin from here in this lecture. And when I'm recording this video, the phpMyAdmin version is 5.0.4, and maybe when you are seeing this video, really phpMyAdmin released a higher version. After excuse me, after you download it, you have to extract the phpMyAdmin zip to directory and replace the directory from this root. Laragon directory, that means where you install the Laragon, then go to etc apps and phpMyAdmin. For example, I open in my browser, I installed Laragon in my C disk, opening my C disk, and then I'm going to Laragon, then going to etc apps, and here I extract the phpMyAdmin from here. After you extract it from here and using this name phpMyAdmin, I'm come here and click on phpMyAdmin, and you see phpMyAdmin open. Another important tip is a username in Laragon for phpMyAdmin is root, and password is empty. That's it. I hope you enjoy from this lecture, and please subscribe our channel if you are seeing this video from YouTube, or if you're seeing this video from our Telegram channel. Please share this video to your friends, and join to subscribe our YouTube channel or Telegram channel. Have a good day. Goodbye.